This one's gonna need a little more work to get out of the way. Damn.
Yay big.
Whoa. So it's day 2 after the big storm. I snowblowed the driveway yesterday. You can hardly tell. We got everything's frozen up, snowed up, and we got a picture from the neighbor that there's a couple trees down on the driveway. Oh, yep. Here we go. Look at this. So I'm gonna have to do some snow blowing again today so we can get out. I gotta move this tree so we can get out. Apparently there's some other trees down, but yeah, this is one so far. Well, I just moved enough snow that we can at least get the truck out. Go into town if we need to. I'll have to clean the truck off a bit. I got the tree moved that was here going up the driveway, but we've got another one down and it's not going to be as easy to move, I don't think. So this one I was able to just push it out of the way with the forks on the tractor. Got the twin bale spears on it, so I was able to just to pick it up and push it out of the way. But this one over here, this one might take a little more work. This one might require some chainsaws. This one is pretty big. Salut! Golly!
This is huge. That's what she said.
Yeah. This might require a couple chainsaws.
Oh, finally, yeah?
Yeah. The other one was I can move with the tractor. This one not so much.
Can't get out.
No.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Melanie's gonna be stuck in her house all winter, so.
Did you try with the tractor?
No, there's no way the tractor's moving this.
Really? Is this crack?
Yeah, it's just way too big. It needs to be cut up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go grab the chainsaw.
Yeah, and like that end's still attached.
Okay. Are you ready for rock and roll?
that's kind of it for our storm adventure. I didn't get the tree off Brigittes' sister's house. The angle just, I couldn't lift the tree up high enough, and I didn't want to just drag it off because I was afraid of tearing the eaves trough off. So it's still there right now. We'll see if we can get someone else in to lift it up and lift it off. So hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll talk to you soon.